Welcome to Draws on Elite. So today we're talking about this particular airdrop called the Magic Newton airdrop. So in this video I'll be showing you all you need to do and know as regards to this particular airdrop, so you ensure you watch this video to the very end. So if today is your first time joining us or you're yet to subscribe to our new channel, please do way to support this channel by subscribing to it. You can also like and share our video, and also remember to join our community as well. So for a brief introduction for this particular airdrop, so this Magic Newton airdrop, the airdrop have been confirmed and they have raised up to $83 million so far for this particular airdrop. So it's one of the biggest airdrop that we have now, and then this particular one might end by next 2 months, so it's a good one that we can jump into right now and then make the most part of it. Okay, so then I'll be moving from one link to another. All the links I'm going to move in here is going to be down there in the description. Just go over there, click on it, and then you come along. So I will show you the step-by-step guide so that you don't miss out from any single thing. Okay, so just go over there, click on it, and then let's come over to here. So now coming over to the main dashboard here, so here we are to log in here using our MetaMask wallet. So I'll just head over here, connect my MetaMask wallet. So I will complete the whole signing in process. So you just watch as I do all these things, right? All right, so confirm, and then click here to prove that you're not a robot. Okay, so this is the main dashboard for this particular airdrop. So now once you sign in, automatically you're going to be given 150 Newton point. Okay, so as you can see, we have 150 Newton point, right? So now that's what we have to. Now the first thing we're going to do is come over here and then click on this exploit quest. Okay, so just click on it. So here click on this one. As you can see, this particular one, they have ended, so can't do anything here. But let's click on this next one. So here we have to complete all these quests, okay, for us to claim the points. So I'll just start with this one first. So come over here, click on join quest, and then click on follow. Okay, so here we're taking directly to your Twitter account for you to follow their their Twitter page, and then we then have to go back to complete the quest. Okay, so I will do all these things and complete all these things. All right, so we're done with the first one. So next is to join the Discord page. So I'll just come over here, click on it, and I'll be taken to their Discord. All right, so once you come over here, first thing is that we are going to verify. Okay, so follow all these steps and then complete the verifications. So now come over here and click on verification. Okay, so click on it and then click on verify. So you have to complete this simple text. Okay, all right. Okay, so once you're done with that, you're going to be given this initiate rule. It's very important. Okay, so ensure that you complete the verification so that you can have this particular rule. Okay, so now once you're done with this, then head back to this page. So we are done with this. So let's complete the other ones. Follow them on IG, follow them on TikTok, and then let's just do this one quickly. All right, let me complete this TikTok one. Okay, I'm done with this. So now next here is to join this so as you can see, we have claimed these points already. So now next here is to join this guild. All right, so we can't do it now, so let's first of all create a guild account. So now head over to the next link. So once you come over to this place, you have to also connect using the same MetaMask wallet that you used initially for logging in. So just come over here. So this part is very, very important. Okay, don't miss out from this particular part. Okay, so we have to log in first. All right, so almost done with this, and then click on verify address. Okay. All right, so now we are now in the main page. So now once you head over to here, after you're done with the signing in, next you have to do is to join this Magic Newton Guild. All right, so now come over here, click on this join guild. Okay, so and then we just allow them to do their check-ins, and then automatically we are going to have access to the main guild itself. All right, so just like I said, that this part is very important. So now once you're done with that, next we have to mint this this NFT, right? So just click on mint, and then we have to at least have up to 0.0075 Ethereum, okay, plus gas fee, right? So then switch account. So I'll just go ahead and then complete this whole process, and then mint this NFT. So ensure you have at least 0.0075 Ethereum in your account. Okay, so click on mint. So this minting will give you serves like as a proof that you actually involved in this particular testnet. So let's do this. All right, so we are done with the minting, as you can see here. So now, so that's what we have to do. So ensure you complete this whole process. Okay, so very, very important. Okay, so once you're done with this, now head back to this place here. So as you can see, we now have access to all these things. Okay, so except this these ones, we have access to this one, but we can't mint these NFTs. Okay, so we don't have access to it because most of them are early users. Okay, so that's what we missed here. All right, so but every other ones we have access to it, except the ones that are meant for the early users. Now for just like I said, these ones we can't mint. Okay, so that's all we can do here. So aside from that, we are also supposed to take a quiz, but this particular quiz here, it have been closed. Okay, so we just, the only thing that we can do here is just the minting. All right, so just mint, and then that's all you have to do in this place. So as you can see here, that's the proof that we have minted. So now head back to this particular place, and then let's complete this one. Okay, so now you can now click on connect your guild. Okay, so you have now created a guild account. So now it's time for us to connect it. So connect that same MetaMask wallet that you used for creating the guild account. Okay, so that's what we are going to do here. So click on sign in, continue. All right, so almost done. So now we can claim down the points, right? So that's what we have to do here. So we have now completed this whole part. All right, so you do the same as well too. All right, so next we have to do here is that come back here. Now we have to play these two games, right? So we just start with the first one. So now these games here, we have to just to play it once a day, right? So just come over here, click on this, and then allow this to the process to continue. Right, so it's more of like a lucky game, right? So I have 11 points. So now I'm still going to come back here by tomorrow to play this game again. So now that's the first one. Now the second one here is this second game. Okay, let's just try this one out. Though I don't know how to play this one, but let's just try and figure out something here. So all right, let me just try random stuff here. So let me know what that can. Okay, let me try again. Alright, so if you know how to play the game, you can just let us know there in the comment section. Though I'll still try to figure out how to play this particular one, but that's what you have to do here. Alright, so okay, so for this one you have 3 times to try, so just try and then that's all for now. So now we just play these 2 games, right? So now the next one here is to this one, so just come over here. I'll show you what you have to do here. So now come over here. So now once you come over to this place here, you have to log in using your email account. Okay, so just put in your email and then a code is going to be sent to you. So just do that to verify. So once you come over here, now first you're going to do here is that you're going to fund your account. Okay, so just come over here and then copy this wallet address, click on receive and copy this wallet address and then fund your account. Okay, so it should be on base ecosystem. All right, so just do that. Okay, so now once you're done with the funding of the account, now what you're going to do here is that you're going to come over here and then click on this create an agent. Okay, so now once you click on here now, so once you come over here now, so now how this thing works here is that you, depending on the total amount that you fund, okay, now you can just come over here and then be buying this here bit by bit. Maybe you can just select $10. So what this system does is that you help to buy this token. Okay, and then you can then select, maybe you want it to be buying it weekly, daily or monthly. Okay, so it will just keep buying, maybe based on the the settings here. Maybe for here we have weekly. Okay, so just it can help you buying weekly until the total amount you have here in your account finishes. Okay, so now that's how this particular thing works. It just helps to auto buy. Okay, so just select any amount you want and then click here, and then that's how what you have to do here, right? So coming back to here, once you're done with that, you're going to see it's going to reflect here that the particular agent is going to reflect here. Okay, so now I will still going to fund my account and then do this particular one. Okay, so now once you're done with that, you can then come back to this place and then click on this second one and then click on this, and then you'll be able to claim your point. All right, so that's what you have to do here. All right, so that's what you have to do. So now next here is to head over to here, click on account, and then here you have to connect your Discord account. All right, click on account and then connect your Discord account. All right, that's what you have to do here. And say, so don't forget, this is very, very important. So now once you're done with that, that's pretty all for now. Okay, so now if you have any question here, do it to ask in the comment section, and if there's any more updates, I will ensure that you guys know about it. All right, so if you're here to support this channel by subscribing to it, please do it to subscribe. Okay, you can also like and share our video, and then remember to join our community as well. All right, so thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.